in the total knee replacement support group, an individual is saying they're 2 months post-op, so it's been about 8 weeks. They still occasionally have to use a cane or a walker. I'm going to break this response down into sections. First, totally normal. 8 weeks is very early in the recovery process. I usually say the first 6 weeks, you're just getting over the trauma of surgery. To use an assistive device on occasion, especially when things get bad, within the first 12 weeks, totally fine, especially depending on how bad the condition was before surgery. And then the individual goes on to say that they continue to feel tightness. They mentioned that they had a manipulation under anesthesia. And while I am not in any way against an MUA, I will say that it does set back the recovery just a bit. You look at the date of the MUA as day number 1. So if you were 8 weeks post-op from the original surgery and you had the MUA, let's say at 6 weeks, right now you're 2 weeks post-op. That's the way I would be looking at this. And to use an assistive device, to have stiffness, to have pain, to feel like you are still in the early stages of recovery at this point, 2 weeks post-op, or 2 weeks from the MUA, 6 weeks post-op, totally reasonable. Give yourself time, give yourself room to recovery. The individual in the comments says that they're continuing to move constantly. They're trying to keep the stiffness away. That is going to overwork the tissue, but that doesn't mean it's a bad thing. It just means that this is probably why you're experiencing the stiffness, the soreness, maybe the continued swelling, and it's a balancing act. If you do nothing, you don't get better. If you do too much, you don't get better as quickly. You want to try to find the Goldilocks effect right in the middle. What is enough? Not too little, not too much. Keep asking questions in the group. I'm happy to answer them and share the experience I've been able to observe over thousands of patients, 20 years of being a physical therapist.